Ines is a 35-year-old company, established in 1987. I was one of the founders over these 35 years and come to be one of the biggest food importer in Iceland. So we're both selling MBM product, frozen, chilled, fruit and vegetables, so for both retail and catering. We have a fantastic location nearby the harbor, so distribution to our customers and from the shipping line is very short. We need to use equipment that was fast enough for us to serve our customers, and that was the reason why we decided to work with SSI SCHÄFER. They help us to give us advice, the layout of the warehouse, so we could fit everything together, number of cranes, mini load and QP, etc. And they've been working with us and helping us from the day one until now. But it gives us a more accurate what we are doing, and we are saving a lot of cost to doing it. And this house is actually state of art because it's the only high-tech warehouse in Iceland, and SCHÄFER is a big part for us to do that. And also in the near future, we are not stopping here. What can we do more? The technique is not stopping here and now. The future will be based on technique.